everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Coinbase. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser and log into Coinbase account first in order to begin. Once you're logged into your account, in order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency on Coinbase, you'll need to go ahead and add a payment method first. From this page, click on this Add Payment Method button, and soon after you do that, you'll get to select whether you'd like to add credit or debit card. Coinbase supports bank accounts, cards, and wire transfers as a method of payment. Click on Credit and Debit Card option and type in your name that is available on your card. Now type in your card number on the next field. Make sure that your expiration date, CVC number, and postal code is also typed in. And finally click on Add Card. Soon after you do that, follow the on-screen prompts on the next page, and that is how you should be able to add a payment method on Coinbase. That is how you can easily add a payment method on Coinbase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.